at Rebecca dancing. Madeline, you gonna dance with Becca and Cassandra?
Mom, you want to dance and I can look in, alright? No more looking. Give me my looking.
Wait a minute, honey. You know what? I think we gotta charge the battery up.
Why?
Here, come here, Maddie. Sit on my lap. Don't bonk your head on the camera. Look at Becca. Can you see in there? Can you see? Can you see Becca?
No.
No, you can't see her? Can you see her now? Let me see. Let me see if we can see her. Can you see her? What's she doing?
Dancing.
Madeline, why don't you go over by Rebecca and say your ABCs for the camera?
You dance and I can look in the camera.
Go over there and do it. Go over there and sing it so I can see you on the camera.
No, Danny, no.
Yeah, come here, Beck. Go over there, Madeline, where Becca was. Let me get her singing her ABCs first. Go ahead, Maddie.
No, go. Becca.
You-
Over there. Danny.
She is over by me. Do you want her to be by you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
All
don't want to.
right, you gonna sing your ABCs? Wait a minute, Beck.
No, I do my ABD.
You don't want to do it?
That's it.
That's the end?
No,
You gonna do it again?
I dance.
Okay, you dance.
Alright, let me see.
Okay. Climb up on my lap.
Let me see.
Can you see her? Can you see her?
No.
No? Can you see her face?
I can't. Look at my back. Oops, she's out of the pits. She's in.
Can you see her?
Yes,
Yes, she is. All right, you go over there and dance too.
Come on.
Hey, Becca.
Give me my...
Madeline, why don't you go sing your ABCs with Rebecca?
And I'll dance.
And you sing and Rebecca will dance. Woo, go Becca. You look beautiful.
Then my...
Rebecca, how high can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
Can you make me?
Yep, come up here.
And we even have cooking apples too.
What did you do?
I made purple. I put red first and then blue and I made purple.
Very good.
That means that I'm gonna go to
You're gonna do what?
I'm gonna go to me.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Are you dancing?
Let's go in the kitchen.
Okay, go ahead.
Come on.
Go in the kitchen, Madeline.
Do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us?
Yep, go ahead. I'll follow you in.
Alright.
Go ahead, Maddie.
You're gonna sit down here.
All right, I'm gonna stop this and walk over. Hi, girls. Rebecca, do you know what today's date is? Do you know what it is? October 25th, 1995. Very good. And how old are you? You're 4. And how old are you, Madeline? No, how old? 2? Are you 2? You're 2. And you're gonna do a dance? Okay. Go ahead, Madeline. You guys gonna show me a dance? Good. No, we're not gonna look right now. I'm just gonna take you guys through it now. Beck, can you sing a song? Do you know any? Very good.
I'm singing the ABC.
All right, tell me how the ABCs go. Wait a minute, I lost you. Okay. Very good. Madeline, can you do ABCs?
I have a ring with a red diamond.
You want to do Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay, go ahead. Okay. You gonna sing it? Very good. I love it. That was beautiful.
Now let's watch the movie.
Watch what movie?
The movie that you taped us.
This movie?
Yeah.
No way.
Why?
You know what we should do?
What?
We should wait until Cassandra wakes up and then tape her, and we'll all go outside and tape everybody, and then we'll watch the movie.
We can tape everybody's houses.
Tape everyone's house?
Little door, how I wonder what you are. Up above and took a little door, how I wonder what you are.
Very good. Madeline, can you do your ABCs? Very good. Rebecca, what are you doing? What's that?
Alicia. Mom, Alicia.
Your eraser?
It's Mom.
Mom's eraser?
Yeah. Grandma, Mom,
You know what, girls? Why don't you come over in this room over here, because I'm getting a glare from the window.
oh, that's my thing.
Come on, Maddie, this way. Is that Russell I'm stepping on?
Yeah.
Watch out, Russ. Watch out, Russ. I don't...
Wait up.
Come over here, Beck, so I don't get sunshine on. Whoop. Yeah, I'll sit down.
We'll make a story, alright?
That's a good idea.
Then I want to make a story using the special pink chair. Mom, you sit in the pink chair. Okay. And you hold the baby.
What are you going to talk about today?
A princess and a
Come over and sit in our chairs. Sit in your chairs so I can see where you are.
I gotta tell the story. Once upon a time, there was a little princess, and she lived in a castle with some.
I can't see both of you.
Yes, we're going to.
Oh, okay. You're bowing.
Yes, we're right. No, out of your chair like this. Okay.
Very good.
And the princess said to Amazon, and then the princess played outside. And have a good play. Go play outside. Yes, you can, honey.
I can't see you over there.
And then she went right here and said to her daughter, go to school. And then she went to school and someone was looking at her and it was her mother. So she came and then she came back home and she saw her mother dressing is a puss. Honey, and she said, honey, go to your... And then she went to a brownie trip and some mean, her mother, aunt came and she was real mean. So then she looked at her. And then,
Sounds like Cassandra's awake.
yeah, we can watch the movie. And then they lived happily ever after. The end.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Madeline. Say bye-bye.
Like,
Take your bows.
take it back.
Very good. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.